Hello everybody, welcome back to Cloudwings Technology. My name is Bahadur and today I'm going to show you what you learn in this course. I have designed this course in such a way if you are beginner and freshers, you can do this course because we're going to start from the scratch and I will make you master of the Kubernetes. Even though you don't know anything about the Kubernetes, don't worry at all. I will teach you each and everything of that Kubernetes. And this is going to job ready program. In this program, in this course, you will learn everything about the Kubernetes and whatever the interview questions they ask in the interview, I will also explain right while we are teaching the Kubernetes. So let's see what you will learn in this course. So I have parted this course into the phases. So you in the first phase, this phase is going to foundation and this is for very beginners level. And here you will understand what is the Kubernetes and why Kubernetes and what problem does it solve. Then you will understand what is the architecture of the Kubernetes. So there we will explain the master and worker node and also the core components of the Kubernetes architectures. Then we have the day 3. In the day 3, we have the how to set up the Kubernetes on your local system. I will give you some tips and tricks in order to practice the Kubernetes. So there we will use the kind cluster, right? So and then we have the basics of the essential commands with the Kubernetes, and then you have the objects like pod, node, and namespaces. These things also I'm going to explain in very details, guys, for you. Then we will move to the core concepts. There you will understand the storage base like pod deep dive and how you can write your own YAML, replica sets, and deployment explain, Kubernetes service explain like ClusterIP, NodePort, and load balancers. And you will also understand the namespaces and resource quota explain. There is a label, selectors, annotations, and configuration storage. Also you will understand how you can use the config map and secret and PVC storage classes. Then you will move to the networking part. In the networking part, you will understand how pod will communicate with each others. For that, we will use the networking concept, and we will also understand the ingress and how we can use ingress and why ingress is very important for us and why it is a still industry standard. For that, we will use one Nginx ingress controller, and then you will understand how to deploy your application with the ingress. We will use ingress, and you will also understand the DNS, domain name servers. Then you will understand scaling, health, and security. Like here, you will understand the port liveness, readiness, props, right? So then you will understand horizontal port scaling and vertical port scalings and request limits, RBACs, and service accounts. All these things you will understand. Then you will understand the network, advanced Kubernetes concept like daemon set, stateful set, job, cron job explained, trends and tolerations, and node affinity and pod affinity also you will understand. Then you will understand, this is very important part, DevOps production. Here we will deploy one application like using the CI/CD pipeline. As of now, we have completed Docker playlist. If you haven't watched that playlist, go and watch that playlist because I have explained everything about the Docker from beginner to advanced level, right? Then you will understand. Then end of this session, parallelly we have completed Kubernetes. Then I will make one video on the Jenkins. There I have explained all about all basic things about the Jenkins. Then we will deploy our CI/CD pipeline. Then you have deploy 3-tier applications, and I will give you application scores for you, like front end, back end, all the application code I will provide you, and you have to deploy yourself, right? And you will understand how the Helm is important and why this is still industry standard. And you will understand how you can implement the monitoring of your Kubernetes resources. You will monitor your Kubernetes resources by implementing Prometheus and Grafana. Then you will understand how you can how you collect the application logs. For that, you will use EFK, right? We will use the EFK tool and we will deploy EFK on our Kubernetes, and we will give the connection string to the development team. Development team will implement that to their applications, and then we will go and master level. So here you will understand what real life problems you will face while you are working with Kubernetes. Those problems, how you can troubleshoot yourself. and also you will understand. Also we will discuss about the interview questions answers, and I will show you best practices of the Kubernetes. So this is going to be very comprehensive course, guys. If you watch this course from day 1 to day 40, then you will definitely master of this course. So hope you will follow me, and you will like and subscribe our channel, and hope you will. If you are having any doubt and queries, you can comment me. I will definitely reply to your queries. So guys, if you want, I will make this comprehensive course. So please motivate me by liking, subscribing, and sharing this channel. Right. So thank you for watching. We will meet in the tomorrow sessions, and there we will discuss our day 1.